Okay, now open your index.html file. From here create a basic HTML format, travel site. From here add the link of our restart your Visual Studio Code. From here what you can do, you just need to click on this watch Sass. Let's change here color red, save it. Now open your style CSS. You can also see the color is red here. Okay, now add this style CSS link in our HTML file. Just write link tab styles/style.css, save it. Now we are going to write HTML. Let's make an ID, whole body image, and inside this ID div we are going to make another ID, color. Make sure this hash sign is here, so this will be an ID. Okay, inside this ID we will have another ID of menu. Inside menu we will have a div dot icon. Div class name will be icon, plus we will have item menu item, and press tab. Inside icon, just write icon for now. By using font awesome, we will add those item later on, those icon later on. Okay, now work with this menu item, ULLI into 4. First will be home. Below this menu we will have another div with class name of language, that means lang, and first lang will be strong, en for English. Another one will be Japanese. I was able to find Japanese by using Google Translator. Thanks to Google Translator. Save. Just give an ID of landing. Inside landing we'll have landing header. H2 will be our landing header. VISIT break line Japan, and we'll have a lorem 10. We want 10 odd or from lorem. Okay, below this landing header we will have some information about Japan. Okay, at first just write essential knowledge. Inside essential knowledge we will have another div with ek. We will have another div with class name of icon. Don't forget about this dot, otherwise it will not be a div. Okay, inside not inside, this will be sibling of icon dot ek text. Okay, ek text will be lorem 50 tab, and tab view toggle or drop. Okay, for now just write icon here, copy this ek and paste it below 2 more time. Change the icon. First one will be location icon, second one will be time icon, third one will be people icon. Don't worry, we'll set the icon by using font awesome. Inside this div we'll have another div with class name of sports header p lorem 8 tab. Below this header 2 it will be favorite sport. Okay, below this sport header we will create one more class